Hey everybody, welcome to another video of Trading with Jackie. I'm Jackie Panetta. So today's video is just going to be a quick update because I'm actually going to tell y'all that I'm going to link this live account to a MyFX book and to a FX Blue live link so that you guys can actually follow along on the progress of this account and these swing trades that I am in. So I scout when I can. I usually day trade, but when I see a fire setup in the charts, that is a swing. I'm in there all day. Okay, so in this, you see I'm trading my beautiful instruments, the favorites, AUDJPY and SP 500. I love them. You know, yesterday when you seen this, S&P was at 73 pips. Well, this is where it's at now. This is at 12:30 p.m. Eastern Time. AUDJPY was at -2 pips. You see where it's at now. So I'm excited and it's going well for me. I have not moved my stops into profit yet because this is a swing trade. I am waiting for something to occur to give me my inclination to be able to move. All right, gotta let things play out. Don't get too quick about it. Okay. I got some expectations here, but the reason why this is so important and what I'm looking for is an H1 alert to the upside from AUDJPY, which I'm on the H1 and I don't see one yet after this massive move that it did. I still ain't got no H1 alert. I'm feeling some kind of way. And then of course here's S&P, same thing. I still ain't got no H1 alert on S&P. So waiting for those to take additional positions, or I might be able to get in finally on Strat 4 and Strat 3 breakouts. So here's money zone. Strat 4 is the money zone breakout. I missed it excuse me, on both S&P and AUDJPY because it happened while I was asleep. So it was an Asian session high breakout and a money zone breakout. You know, that would have been 2 additional positions. Missed them because I was asleep. AUDJPY had the same setup. Unfortunately, I missed it while I was asleep. It's cool though. It's cool because they're going to set it up again. We got money zones every day, right? So we'll see what happens if I can catch the breakout tomorrow. Hopefully it don't do it when I'm asleep. But if it does, it is what it is. I'm cool with the one position. That's just a way to stack positions on my trades. So that's what I'm looking for to be able to add to what I'm in right now. All right, so with that, you can see this is a live account. Okay, everything's moving, you know. All right, link's going to be attached to these so you can track them. The reason why this account is so important and the reason why you see 0.01 and you're like, oh, what is this account? Well, that's because this particular one is one that I was messing around with completely and utterly. So in this, you'll see in these trades, I had like that much in there, okay, and I started messing around. As you can see, lost, and I'm like, man, I was playing around with these currency pairs trying to get my feel for them back, you know. And then of course that was like the one S&P trade that I lost, and I was so mad about that because it was a buy, but I feel like I got caught up, not this week, but it was like earlier in the week I got caught up, and and I didn't read the market right, so that's what happened. But anyway, moving along. Come down here, I got some green. I got some green in here. There was some L's in there, but I got some green. You know, TP been hit, you know, so but that's the loss on the account. And this is what's left. Alright, that's the balance as of today. This is what I deposited, this is what I lost, and this is the balance as of today. Alright, I started this account on 9/11. I think that's fortuitous. So 9/11, that's like a week ago, 2 weeks ago? Yeah, 2 weeks ago, something like that. Alright, so with that being said, let's see what I can do. With that, 2 weeks ago, this being the loss that it was at, right? Okay. Keeping track of this account, because of that size, I'm on a 0.01 lot size, right? So, just so you know, I've already recovered and then some. Okay? Because this, a 0.01, 96 pips, that's $9.60. 0.01, 541, that's $54.10. Okay, already recovered. See, this is 63.7. all right, already recovered it and then some. All right, so I'm up another 30 bucks. All right, so off of a 100 account, what is that, y'all? That's up 30% in a day. And it's a swing. So I ain't done yet. Get it? Cool. Now, how did I do it? I used AIRO. I used market patterns, study them, Google them, because that's what I did in order to do it. If you gotta find somebody that can teach you about market patterns, great. But there's plenty of charts out there that can show you market patterns, and just study them. Market pattern, candlestick formations, price action, candle strength, alright, what the actual pair was doing, the market maker trend direction, all of those played into. Was I bouncing off of a zone when I got ready? Where was it coming from? All of that took into place into me making these two trades. Okay, so if you want to let AIRO help you and teach you to do that, you need to come DM me and let's go talk about it. Alright, so y'all be able to follow this going forward and see the power. So you gotta show you. I show y'all. I may not be the best trader in the world, but I'll tell you one thing. I know what I see, and when I see it, I let the fruits of my labor speak for itself. You get what I'm saying? Alright, so holla at me if y'all want to. You got my DM. It's in Telegram. Alright, I'm also going to put in the link for the update call today on AIRO 5.0 so y'all can understand what's being released tomorrow. Okay, the game is changed. Alright, I'm not even the best scalper, but I tell you what, after tomorrow when the stuff drop, I'm gonna be scalping the heck out of the US 30 next week. Okay, so, and plus, since I'm an AIRO educator, you know what, I'll be able to show those on these calls too, so you can ask questions and so on and so forth. You know, you want to join my personal trading group, you know, you got to sign up with me, connect with me, or somebody that's in my team. Of course, I can always give you the names of those as well, but you can sign up with me in my personal trading group, and then we trade together and have our discussions. But I ain't gonna keep this video long, just want to give you all that update. And every Friday I'll just do a quick little screenshot. This is where the count's at, links of the MyFX book and the FX Boost, so you can follow up. Alright, I think that was it. I don't think I got any more for y'all. I still got free passes, so hit me up if you want one, and I'll talk to y'all later. Take care. Bye.